Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer. We're at Ottawa RC on-road racing. We're going to go out in stock sedan. Going to go out in the B main of sedan. I just got myself bumped out of the A. I made it into the A in qual 3, but I was a little bit too slow. So I'm going to be starting in the B main with the Mugen MTC2R. I just have recently fixed it, so I got the front axle repaired. Now the front axle uses a hollow stub. That's why I broke it at CTSR. This is the part that I broke at CTSR when I couldn't race touring car at the Christmas Grand Prix. Is the front axles on the Mugen MTC2R are extremely weak and hollow, and so they snap off with just a little bit of off force, or if you put on a nut too tight, or if you take a hard hit to this front axle, it will shear off because it's hollow. Mugen, why did you make the front axles hollow? The old ones were not like that. Also, it has this kind of double joint here, which has a lot of E-clips and special pins, and then it's bearing carried on the other outdrive, which is what's new on the R, is the bearing carried outdrives, which I wanted. And the rear design is much stronger and bigger and beefier and solid metal, and the front is super tiny, weak, and hollow. And yeah, you're going to need some front axle parts if you get this car. You're definitely going to break them at some point. So they make the repair axles a separate part. This is the piece. They have to take the axle apart to put that in. It goes through with a pin and a O-ring that holds that in place. Put this part in. And then if I break any of the parts doing that, that's why I bought this, which is the full front axle set. You only get a single axle, so you have to buy this twice if you want all the parts to do both sides, but it includes every part to build one side of one axle. Look at how many there are. I think this front axle design is silly, way too complicated and too dainty, to put it by a better word. It's weak. I don't see the point of having it have to be super lightweight axle. It has all of the force on it. Why would you want that to be a weaker part? Anyway, there's also a hub that's missing. Found it as I lost it during all the kerfuffle at the race. So it sleeves in. That's why this is all loose in the bearing, is the hub slides into that bearing, and that's what holds it all in place. It's the hex. The hex sleeves in. So the hex actually has a metal barrel, sleeves in around everything. And that's what an axle looks like on the front of the Mugen MTC2R. And here's the rear axles, as we already saw. I really like the rear end. The rear end is so strong looking. And then they went and just, there's a couple little things on this car that are just like, really? You were so close. You were so close. So I've just gone through the process of fixing the axle. I've ran through my 3 quals today. The car handled so good. Unbelievably good. Very, very happy with the car today. I'm on a softer rubber today. I'm on a Hootie 28 style rubber, and that's made a remarkable difference. So I'm on the same setup I was before, but just by having the softer rubber has made the car like a second or two faster per lap. It's remarkable. So the best lap I've done today is an 8.6 second lap, and I'm averaging in the low 9. So very happy with that. We're going to go out for a B-main sedan with the Mugen MTC2R. Main of 2024 with the sedan. Man, this car feels good. Holy cow.
All right, we have driver checked in. Where is our marshal? We have one marshal, 2 marshals. We cannot run a race with 2 marshals.
Oh, these two green cars are going to look exactly the same.
We have drivers.
Okay.
Let's get things underway. Everybody on the tone, less than 5. Nice, super clean to the first couple corners. They're coming around to the back straightaway.
Oh no!
Big bet, Ben up front. Yes, Ben following service. Ben can follow that foot grab back into the zone. Right away, Ben's first lap is the 10-1 fastest lap. You see those guys down the rest of the race.
Man, I got my work cut out for me now. What the hell's going on? I'm whatever. I think transponder's falling out. Okay, whatever. It's okay, just on Velcro, which wasn't holding. I need a new transponder system. Just absolutely ruined my run. That transponder's been causing me problems all day. I need a new transponder system.
1, 2, 3, and 4 are all separated less than a second.
Oh, I can't take it back. Oh, shit.
Even faster than 9 flat, fastest lap. Your second place car battling for the lead. 0.9 seconds running bad right now on track. Not the only battle that's happening right now, though. Second and third place, Brad Clint is going to be 0.9 seconds as well. Half second separating Brad and Ben and Brad right now on track. Ben's going to put under pressure by Brad, but Brad's under pressure by Clint. Maxing about 3 seconds behind these guys. Just waiting for something to happen. Oh, a little bit of a wobble there. That's going to send Clint down to third place. Brings Brad up to second. Giving Ben a little bit more breathing room. 2 seconds separating Ben and Brad right now. Ben now putting in the 8-9 fast lap. Our first 8-second off the race. Brad currently with 9 flat. We have Quinn with the Max 8-9 as well now. Max on the 9-2.
That's not how.
Something's not timing right about that. You know how careful you are on track? Awesome. Ben and Clint are only separated by about 4.4 seconds. Clint to Max Zimmer right now is 2.8 seconds. Now up to 7 seconds on track. Everybody's progressively going a little bit faster throughout this race. We have Clint with an 8-9 fastest lap, Max with a 9-2, get Ben with a 9-9, and Brad with a 9 flat, and John with an 8-7 fastest lap with a lap number 15 there. Fastest car on track right now is your last place car, John Kennedy with an 8-7 fastest lap. Running that guy with a time attack car. He's on a mission trying to catch up to these guys.
How many laps down am I?
About 34 seconds down, so we'll see how much you can recover, but it'd be pretty cool to get back on the same lap as Brad. Currently with a lap average of 9.5. That's your lead car now. Whoa, okay. We get Clint up front over Ben, Maxim, Brad, and John. Didn't know that happened.
They tried.
Clint now with the 8 fastest lap, second fastest lap of the race. That's your lead car.
Oh, watch straight, watch straight, watch straight!
Inside on the straightaway.
Car's dead, car's dead.
Car is dead.
That was a hard hit.
Well, you still holding the fastest lap of the race. Still have Clint up front, followed by Ben, Maxim, Brad, and
I can't see it.
Between your first and second place car, Clint and Ben.
He said I wrapped the transponder like right around the axle. All right, watch the end of the race. Got some good laps in though. That was pretty freaking fun. I got fastest lap. Yeah. No, it doesn't matter at all, but it feels good.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Alright, that's a race.
Oh, I don't know. I think the transponder got like wrapped around an axle.
That's all I heard.
Yeah. That transponder's probably just ripped itself to shreds now, eh?
Might actually be okay. Sorry, I just unplugged it so it wasn't short.
So was it like wrapped right around the axle?
I think he unhooked it a bit, but it got hooked around your body.
Like in the...
up top.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was hanging at the bottom when I hooked it up.
All right. Fastest lap, though. Fastest lap. A little sideways on the straight. Then that's a bad place to be.
Yeah.
Thanks for jumping out to get it. All right, that was Sedan. Yeah, so transponder is. I need a better fastening system. That's bit me in the ass a couple times now. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.